Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaishree, and I am pursuing my Bachelor of Engineering in Information Science at Don Bosco Institute of Technology. I successfully completed a MERN Stack internship offered by Webstack Academy under the guidance of Miss Richaja. During this internship, I gained hands-on experience in building full-stack web application using modern web technologies. As a part of this internship, I developed OrderIt, a AI-powered food delivery system, which is the project I will be presenting today. This presentation, I will explain internship objectives, project architecture, key features, technologies used, challenges faced, finally demonstrate the working application. The project overview. The OrderIt, it is an AI-powered food delivery application developed using one stack, which consists of MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js. The main object of this project is to provide user with an easy and secure platform to browse restaurant, explore the menu, add food items to the cart, place orders online. Unlike a basic food ordering application, this project also includes advanced features such as JWT based authentication, Stripe payment integration, and AI powered restaurant review analysis using Groq AI. These features improve both the user experience and functionality of the application, making it closer to real world food delivery platform. Objective of this internship was to understand how a complete full stack web application is designed, developed, and deployed. During this internship, I learned how backend technologies communicate through REST API. I gained practical experience in developing responsive user interface using React.js, managing application state using Redux. On backend, I APIs using Node.js and ExpressJS, connected them with MongoDB Atlas for data storage. I also learned how secure authentication is implemented using JWT tokens, and third-party services like Stripe, Cloudinary, and Groq can be integrated in web application. Overall, this internship helped me understand the complete development process of modern web application. This slide illustrates the overall architecture of the application. The application supports types of user. One is customer and the other is administrator. The front is developed using React.js, while Redux Toolkit is used for efficient state management. Whenever a user performs an action such as logging in, searching restaurant, adding food to cart, or placing an order, React sends API request to backend using Axios. With Node.js and ExpressJS processes those requests and interact with MongoDB Atlas to retrieve or store application data. The project also integrates several external services such as Cloudinary that is used to store restaurant and food images, Stripe that handles the online payment, Groq AI that analyzes the customer review and generates meaningful summary. This architecture separates from backend database external services, making the application modular, scalable, and easier to maintain. Here we have some of the features and technologies implemented. The application provides separate functionalities for users, administrators. Users can register, log in securely, browse the restaurant, search restaurant, view menu, add food items to the cart, make payment using Stripe, view AI generate review summary. Stripe has additional privileges such as adding new restaurant, deleting old restaurants, managing the menu, and food item, analyzing the customer review using AI. The major technologies used in this project are React.js for frontend, Node.js and Express.js for backend, MongoDB Atlas as the database, Redux toolkit for the state management, Grid for authentication, Cloudinary for image storage, Stripe for payment processing, and Groq AI for review analysis. Each technology was selected based on its ability to solve a specific requirement. During the development project, I encountered several practical challenges. One challenge was managing data efficiently across the multiple React components, which I solved using Redux toolkit. Implementing secure authentication using the JWT helped me understand user authorization and protected routes. Internet Stripe provide practical knowledge about the payment gateway implementation. While connecting MongoDB at last, I learned the importance of proper environment variable configuration and database connectivity. In Groq AI allowed me to understand how external AI services can be used to generate full insights from the customer review. Overall, this internship improved my skills in full stack web development, API integration, database management, authentication, debugging, problem solving. The learning outcomes were database operation, payment gateway integration, REST API design, authentication, authorization, API integration. Now that I have explained the project overview, architecture, features, and implementation, I will demonstrate the working of application from both user and administrator perspective. I'm opening the VS Code where my project, I've opened my project. It has folded backend and frontend. Make sure you are connected to the MongoDB. If here my MongoDB is successfully connected with the host and it is started on port 8080 in the development mode. Now I will run my frontend. I'm copying it and opening in my Chrome. Here, this is the website we have developed during the MERN Stack internship. Now I will log in. I have already logged in using this email, or you can create a new user. Now I have created a user successfully. So you can check the profile. You can edit the profile if you required in the MongoDB. When I go and refresh this, refresh in the MongoDB. can see a new user is created and it's stored in the MongoDB database. So, okay, now this is the home page where we have 9 restaurants as we have created in the database. This is the home page. We can search the restaurant by the name. I'm gonna search KFC. It fetches me the restaurant which I have searched. We can also filter the restaurants by pure veg, Haldirams, as given in the database. We can sort by ratings and sort by reviews. Now I'm gonna open one restaurant and show how it works. My cart is empty right now. So I'm gonna open the Meghana biryani, and this is added by AI. I'm gonna show you in the use admin module. I'm adding chicken biryani. Well, you can check are they in stock, the status, and keema biryani. Go back, and here we have one button view review summary. This summary is generated by Groq AI. This is AI generated. Here I can check out. Here it opens my. I will give a name, any addresses you need, number, and the card we are using for testing. You have to give anything like your wish. You can save the information and check if everything is given. Now, if you give processing, the payment is processing and you will get your order as successfully placed. You can go to the orders and check what you have ordered. You have ordered 2 items and the total amount and the status and the date of order. We can also view what address it's going, the amount is paid, order status, and the order items what we have done. This is how the user home page works. When here we can also show you one thing. When I log out and I try to order something, it directly takes me to the login page. So I have to log in and order. So this is how a user page works. Now I'm gonna demonstrate on the admin model as we have demonstrated using this normal user. User can search restaurant, browse the available food items, add the items, test the stripe test mode to make the online payments and check about the order detail. You can also see cart is empty right now, and now this is what I'm going to back to my MongoDB, search for what I've did, and I'm gonna change here to admin. So you have to update here, and the document is updated. Now when I go here, when I log in, I will be logged in as an admin, where you can see I can delete the restaurant and And your restaurant can even analyze the review, so we can see the review summary also. It's a see. Now, for example, I will try to add a restaurant or add a food item to this. Okay, I'm adding an item. You can choose. So I'm adding chicken biryani. It's my wish. I can keep anything. Amount 299. Here, this is an beautiful future we have created using Groq AI. AI description for the food we have created. Stock we can add in stock or out stock. Image URL. I'm fetching it from the Google. My wish. So I will copy the image address and paste it here. So here, this is out of stock as we did add -2. We can also add the menu, extra menu if we need. So now you can select which one you need and create another item. This is how it works. When I go back as an user, I can see another item in the Bandana Palace, that is chicken biryani. I will show you in some time. The user can also delete the meals here inside. This is how it works. Here also we can sort by ratings and the pure veg restaurant. We can add any restaurant. Now I will example. I will show you one restaurant. Naming the restaurant as Domino's. Simply I'm giving it an address. You can take anything. You have to paste some images. You can see my new restaurant as a pure veg is created. I can go here, add a menu. Make it in a stock. I'm taking some pizza image, random pizza image, and pasting here. So it creates my pizza menu. So okay, now I will log out as admin and I will next log in again as a user with my another email when I've created it. Varatri@gmail.com. We see a newly added restaurant, Domino's. We can add to the cart. And here another one is we can't add restaurants at a time. When I try to add the chicken biryani, it removes minimum quantities reached. So you can see we have added this, and also we have created a new restaurant name Domino's. We can add to the cart any number of quantities. So now the count of the restaurant has been increased, and you can also check the profile again. The administrator has pages to manage the restaurant, analyze the customer review. Now I opened user login again, and showed how it works when we have created a new. After the administrator analyzes, user will review the AI generated review summary before placing an order. Helps them understand the customer feedback quickly. So it comes to an end. This is the project we have created. Thanks to Richaja ma'am who have helped me throughout the project, step by step guided me through this. So as now we have learned in the live demonstration, user registration, login, browsing, searching and filtering of the restaurant, view menu, add to the cart, the payment, admin login, add restaurant, delete, and AI review analysis and AI review summary. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Chip I gained value practical experience in full stack web development using the MERN Stack. I also learned how to integrate authentication, payment gateways, cloud storage, and AI services into real world application. This project strengthened my understanding of software development, technical and problem solving skills. Thank you for your time and attention. I'm happy to answer any questions in the comment text section. And Jaja ma'am, by my whole heart for help throughout this internship, and thanks for the Webstack Academy who gave me an wonderful opportunity for this internship, for a 30 days internship, which helped me learn and gain so much knowledge. Thank you so much.